I'm here with the Oral-B IO Series 10 and I want to unbox this today to see what we get. I've already tested quite a few of these, but this is definitely the most premium one. I think this is the newest as well. The IO Series 10 just came out and it's a very large premium box that we get here. So let's open up these pull tabs here. And it already looks very, very premium. It's more like a shoebox than anything else, I think. Oh, I had it upside down, which is my bad. Then you get the cool cosmic things here, which is cool. I don't know why exactly. And then you can see the different modes on there as well. And this has a charging base which supposedly can connect to your phone. You even have the cosmic design right in the brush there. So it's pretty cool. And it also has that more premium brush head design as well. So you can see that. And let's see what else is in there. A little charger here. Then the charging puck, which is, for this one it's separate from the charger block itself. And with all of the other Oral-B's I've tested, the charger block is well connected with a wire right out of the box, so that's a little bit different. So let's remove the plastic here. And then we have a very nice, quite heavy puck with some soft stuff here at the bottom. So that's not going anywhere. You can charge it with your charger here, and then this attaches magnetically. So just put that on there. This has a little bit of a hole here, but not that really deep Oral-B like entry point. So you can't get any grime in there, which is a little bit easier to clean. If you've had like these toothbrushes that you put on there on the charging port, then you know how hard it is to clean them. So that's a little bit easier. And then you have your charging case as well, or the charging case, your travel case as well, which is also the most premium I've seen. You have space here for your toothbrush, and then for a additional toothbrush you have in there. There's just one, I think. Let's see if there are any additional ones. You can get this one in different sets. I've seen one with 4 replacement brushes as well, but this one just has one. And that's the same as for the other Oral-B IO series brushes. So, no, not this one. This is just the basic brush. This is the Genius X. And then over, let's see, over here is the Series 7 IO, and that has that same brush, that IO series brush, which is a little bit more premium. It closes on the toothbrush just a little bit easier. So it's a little bit more premium than the basic version, and then you can put that on there. Now let's see if this will turn on right out of the box. It does. You have a little screen on there, which is also pretty cool. So you can see your modes right from that screen. Yes, I have to set it up. I'm English. Oh, I should push the other button to select something. Polski. I am not Polski. English, yeah. So let's push that button. It also even has Dutch on there for you Dutch people like me out there, and then you can select the mode that you want. Oh, this is what color you want the light to be. So you can personalize everything here, which is pretty cool. Enable brush head tracker. Yes, let's do that. Okay, so you have the display where you can see your timer, you can set your mode, your daily clean. So with something premium like this, you get a display right in your toothbrush, and you get that little magnetic charging port, which is a lot easier to clean. So that's cool. And then let's select daily clean, which is the normal mode, and it should have like this overpressure protection. Yeah, so it's green when I'm brushing the correct way, and then turns red when I'm pushing too hard. So that's cool, and you can see I have brushed for 11 seconds now. I hope you can see that. So you have the like the timer right in the display. With more basic versions, you just have the timer, and then it will pulsate a little bit differently when you go over the 2 minutes. So with this one, well, it's just a little bit cooler all the way around. So that's nice. And you get the app, of course. I already have the Oral-B IO app, and what I found out just a little bit earlier when unboxing the Series 7 is that you can only have one device connected to this at one time. So now I have the Series 7, and then I have to remove that from the system to connect the next one. Then you can just press connect now, and then pick this up, turn it on. Start, turn it on, plug that in, and already found that immediately, so that's pretty cool. Plug in your IO sense to continue. Oh, I need to connect this right now, so it's a little bit different than the other sets, which just connect immediately. But here I have to connect the base, because the base is also connected to the phone. So I think that's the premiumness of this Series 9 is that you can brush, and then you don't need to open the app for it to register it. So one of the things that I really disliked about like that whole brush system with an app is that you need to open the app every single time when you're brushing, otherwise it won't register it. Okay, so now it's glowing a little bit here. You can see it's like connecting. Okay, so now I need to charge pair the charging port here with the brush by pushing this button. Bluetooth pairing request. Let's pair with IO Sense. Let's pair. Oh, cool. So now it found my brush, as you can see. So it's still very easy to connect that. And now I have this connected to my phone, and connect this via Wi-Fi in my Wi-Fi here at home. So this base can register, can send the your brushing session to your phone, so you don't need to open it every time. It just registers it, and then you have these stats right in your phone the next time you need it. So what I found with these app controlled brushes is that I didn't really use the app every time, just in the beginning to see how I'm brushing, but then I would just never use it again. And with something like this, you just have that on. It will just send the data to your phone when you open your phone right from the base here, and then, well, you have your data to look back to when you get a minute, so you can just check your stats, for example. So let's add that Wi-Fi network. Yes. Okay, connect. Please wait, we are finding your Wi-Fi network. Connected, so it's already connected. And now I have my brushing system with the brush head and then the base right there, as you can see. And then when you go home, you can start a session, brush now. Okay. Increase pressure. So you can see it's going to start brushing right now. And you can see where you're brushing. see where you're brushing, and then if you've covered your full mouth and you have different stats there. Data insights with coverage, with overpressure, and the app and the way this works is the same for all these types of brushes. So for the Series 7 I've tested for the Genius X, which is the cheapest model with the app. The stats are the same. Maybe this has a little bit of a better sensors, I don't know. But the app is the same. The difference here is that you get this base which sends the data, so you don't need to open the app. So I think that's a really nice addition. If you're someone like me who just can't be bothered to open the app every time they're brushing, and then you miss a lot of data to see your cleaning sessions, how many times a week you're cleaning, and if you're cleaning sessions, if you're cleaning your entire mouth. And with this you can just set it and forget it. And then go on with your day and then check your data when you need to. So I think that's a really cool addition, and I hope this unboxing video has helped you make your choice.